Hello, welcome back to the workshop. Very nice to have you here again. So on yesterday's video, you saw me forging these one-piece mosaic Damascus spurs. Day before, you saw me make the mosaic steel for that. And you saw me turning the buttons out of more of the same Damascus. Today, I'm going to start by turning the rowels, which are the round spinny things. Damn phone. Which are the round spinny things. And I'm going to start grinding this and see how much we can accomplish. Thank you very much for joining me. I truly hope that you enjoy this video. And remember, t-shirts available end of this week. Have a great one. See how this goes? This is a really fun process, making these spurs. Very, very exciting. Slow progress, you know, with all of this stuff, when you spend so long making the steel and so long forging it, the patience one needs to have to grind it and really try and make sure that you're not making too many mistakes. It's taken a lot of time. It's a lot of fun though. I mean, taking on projects like this that you've never done, you don't have an example, it's a very exciting experience. I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sorry I didn't make any more progress on this today. I would have loved to have had these finished. I think another day's work is going to have them looking spick and span. I don't know when I'm going to get the next video to you though, so just stay patient on that. Tomorrow's video is probably going to be a little business video because some more people have been asking some questions. I'll get back to you with this in the next few days or sometime next week. If you're watching in the future, be sure to probably look to my left. You'll probably see the next video in the series down below. I'm looking forward to cracking on with this. End of this week, we have a 4-day evolution of toolmaking class going on. So there are going to be some fun videos for you all to watch. And I'm hoping that you guys have a fantastic evening. And of course, be sure to hit subscribe below. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.